All right, welcome to another edition of the Beyond the Blade podcast. Now that we have basically done the reveal of hydrology wellness, I want to be able to dive deeper specifically on our surgical patients, on how they can access hydrology for their overall wellness and post-surgical needs. So if you're living in Miami, I would highly recommend that you stop by way before your surgery because we can begin to optimize you prior to your procedure. We can go through a series of different IV vitamin infusions. We can prep your body with hyperbaric oxygen before surgery. You can get relaxing massages to help with your mental health, with relaxation, and make the experience before and after surgery much more pleasant. We also have other modalities that we can use after surgery, lymphatic massage. We have the Balancer Pro compression system. It's basically a suit that you basically are put into, and it will give you strategic compression therapy to improve the lymphatic flow and to help with wound healing, reducing inflammation and swelling. Basically, it's a phenomenal device. That's also used in athletics. Very high-powered athletes use this device almost every day in their recoveries. But after surgery has also been found to be fantastic. We have basically other options for post-surgical recovery, including what we call red light therapy, which is amazing for your post-surgical scar. It helps reduce the thickness, the pigmentation of the scar, gives you finer, more beautiful scars. And then we have all of the continued aesthetic treatments that are non-surgical, like our Morpheus 8 for skin tightening. We have our cold plunge, which you can do after you've recovered from surgery to help reduce inflammation from the surgery. We have a cryotherapy chamber as well, which is fantastic for reduction of swelling, improvement of your mood, enhanced energy. And we're going to have a very advanced level provider there who's going to be able to meet with you and discuss with you all of your needs and how we can help you through this process. We're taking a very naturopathic approach at Hydrology Wellness. We are going to be able to prescribe medications if you were to need a pharmaceutical drug, but we're trying to network and work with the best naturopathic vitamin supplementation companies in the United States that are vetted by multiple agencies to basically give the best results and the most degree of safety. You're going to be able to do a lot of beauty treatments also after your surgery. You can do hydrofacial treatments to improve the skin texture and to improve the overall results of your facial procedures. And we also are going to have a feminine wellness component that has been really missing down here in South Florida, which is basically improving the architecture of the female anatomy. So meaning we can get enhanced vaginal tightening, reduced issues with vaginal dryness, and one of the biggest ones that women have after pregnancy is urinary incontinence. So we're going to be able to offer you treatments for all of these feminine conditions that a lot of times are not talked about or maybe a little bit taboo. And this is your opportunity to do these pelvic enhancement treatments in a very safe environment, a very beautiful, brand new, state-of-the-art wellness facility in Coral Gables, Florida, with very easy access off of US 1. So we're very strategically located for our patients. We are less than a mile away from my primary practice of Zuri Plastic Surgery in South Miami. So this is going to be an amazing opportunity for you. If you're coming from out of town, please consider staying immediately adjacent to our wellness facility at the Thesis Hotel. Again, the Thesis Hotel, where you're going to be able to just come downstairs, get your massages done, get your IV vitamins and fluids and whatever you need. And you're going to be able to have all of this in a very, very comfortable and welcoming environment because that is what we guarantee. Whether you're at Zuri Plastic Surgery or at Hydrology Wellness, you're going to be coming into a pristine, clean, welcoming, very beautiful environment. And that's the experience that we want you to have whenever you're in either of our locations. So please stay tuned. We're going to be doing individual Beyond the Blade podcast segments on each one of these modalities and how they can help you enhance your health, wellness, and beauty.